We wanted to introduce you to our Ultimate Mint collection. It's our best-selling single product, and with very, very good reason. What we do is we select from 12 of the best mints of the time. We're selecting from 30 different varieties that we grow in the nursery. The great thing about it is if you were to pick 12 of these, it'll cost you £23, £24, something like that. Whereas we do this for £14.99. So we randomly select the best ones, all different, all labelled. So in this selection, this one's going out today. We've got things like grapefruit mint, which has got this massive leaf and a really sort of fresh flavour to it. Strawberry mint, which, surprise, surprise, smells of strawberries. We've got Spanish mint, which is a lovely sturdy mint, really upright, really nice looking mint. Ginger mint, which later on in the year has these lovely yellow stripes down it, and really good for adding to cocktails and stuff like that. Things like chocolate mint, which you've probably heard of, really good for adding to cakes and things like that. We've got basil mint, which has got sort of almost a, I don't know how to explain it really, it's slightly basil-y scent to it. That's really nice and really unusual. Things like Jessica sweet pearmint, berries and cream mint, which you'll find in virtually every single RHS display we've ever done, because it's really nice, upright, lovely looking mint. And things like orange mint, again good for fruit cocktails, where you could freeze a little leaf in an ice cube. That's really nice. So we select from all these different mints. Like I say, £14.99 is great value. The great thing about mints as well, you get this lovely established plug plant. If you put that in a pot, it will grow quite quickly. You'll be picking them before you know it. It's beginning of March now. Even in an unheated greenhouse or something like that, just on your windowsill, you'll be picking them by the end of May, so sort of in time for Chelsea to enjoy your cocktails and things like that. So take a look at it. It's a great collection.